This is decomposition reaction. From single reactant we get two or more product. Now this one activity in your book, we have to study this activity, calcium carbonate. Okay, this is the reaction. Calcium carbonate get converted into calcium oxide. Discuss about the decomposition reaction. Okay, this is the calcium carbonate. Okay, when we take the calcium carbonate in test tube and started to burn it, this is called thermal decomposition. Is in a given activity. Okay, take a calcium carbonate in test tube and hold the mastic at the mouth, then mastic extinct. Now calcium carbonate is heated, then the formation of a calcium started to burn dioxide. We hold the matchstick, okay, because through this one activity, okay, actually this is the very important one. When calcium carbonate is started to burn, it releases the carbon dioxide, okay, and calcium hydroxide is prepared. Now see here, ये matchstick क्यों? Because of the excess amount of carbon make the bed, okay, and avoid to contact of oxygen, and due to it oxygen is started give the support to the burn. Carbon dioxide not supporting to the burn. We learn in a fire and extinct chapter. Okay.